Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get on Prodigy. So first, you will start off in Google Classroom. You'll go into classwork, go to learning sites. Once you go into learning sites, then you can go to Prodigy. Once you're in Prodigy, then you can log in with your account, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up. When you're signing up, you need to sign in with Google. If you do not have Miss Koth down as your teacher, you will hit update, and then you can put in the class code, which will also be found in Google Classroom. There's the class code. But once your teacher's updated, once you're logged in and everything, you hit next. She wants us to hit play from school. You'll hit play. It will take you to Wizard Watch, and this is just so that you can see everything, what's going on today, what you've said. You can see all of your friends. Here is so that you can type different things, but there's nothing really to type in this game. Have the exact same things. These are the different worlds you can go to. So you have your different worlds. This is the main castle, I'm pretty sure it's called. And then this is where you can build your different things. Here you can see all of your pets, everything you have, all that type of stuff. And then if you click the backpack, then you can see the hats you have, your outfits, wands, relics, boots, buddies, items, and currency. So that is all of the different money you have. And then if you want, so to move around, you just click. If you want to go into a battle, you might walk forward. This will be the wizard battle that you have. So your attacks, you'll already go straight to that. So if you use enough of these and you get the answers right, you'll have an all-out attack that is pretty powerful. You can switch from your character to your pet, or from your pet to your character. Go back to attacks, you'll have all of that. So say you want to do combustion. You can add the different things. But other than that, that's basically it. You have your different things, so if you really wanted to write like the problems out, you can. If you didn't do it right, you can erase it. If you need help and you don't understand it, you can watch the lesson on it.
In this lesson, you will learn how to add
that just shows you how. You can hit read out loud.
Add 623 plus 228.
Read it out loud for you. If you hit this little light bulb looking thingy, it will show you how to do this. It'll show you everything you need to do. But yeah, that's basically it. If you need out of a battle, then it will completely take you back, and I will